My dear students, Vetri welcomes you all. Today, I am going to discuss the Unit 14, that is, some basic principle of organic chemistry. NEET original question paper discussed by Dr.R.G. The first question under the organic chemistry, the correct IUPAC name of the following compound is NEET 22. NEET 22. So, here CH3, CH, Cl, CH, CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, Br. Options are 1 bromo 2 methyl 5 chloro hexane 3 all, 2 6 bromo 4 methyl 2 chloro hexane 4 all, 3 1 bromo 5 chloro 4 methyl hexane 3 all, 4 6 bromo 2 chloro 4 methyl hexane 4 all. Here the interesting information is, whenever you want to give IUPAC name for any organic compound, you have to first assess the interesting information. Type 1, that is, no functional groups. Organic compound containing without any functional groups. Type 1. Type 2, that is, one functional group. Organic compound containing one functional group. And type 3, organic compounds containing more than one functional groups. More than one functional groups. So we have to classify like this. According to this information given by me, which is not given in any book, so from the structure we can find out first how many possible the functional groups. 1 Br functional group, OH functional group, Cl functional group. So 3 functional groups. So it is type 3. It is type 3. Okay. So let me now go for how to name this compound. Then compare with the option. We will find out which is the correct one. So kindly follow. So this is the structure. Now, according to if the organic compound is containing more than one functional group, we have to follow the basic, the functional groups seniority table we have to follow. What is seniority table? Among the seniority table, topmost COH group, next the ester, anhydride, amine, then aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, amine. Like this it will come. So the idea here it is, if more than one functional groups are there, the group which occupy top in the list will be given suffix. For all other functional group, we have to use prefix. This is the important condition. So in this case, now I will find out this one. Kindly follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 carbon atoms are there and 3 functional groups are there. What are the functional groups? Br, OH and Cl. Among the seniority table, OH is the correspondingly the senior. So we have to use suffix. So I can write now, kindly follow. For convenient, I will write now 6 carbon. Among the 6 carbon, now we will just see the first carbon we have Br, then automatically CH2, the second carbon CH2, third carbon OH, then fourth carbon CH3, and fifth carbon Cl, and sixth carbon CH3. So this is I am expanding the above structure in this form. Now it is easy. Now when you start from right, numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 is the OH group. When you start from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 is the OH group. So kindly follow. Number the carbon atom either from left or from right, so that carbon having the functional group which occupy top in the list should be given priority. So this is the correct priority. From left, I have to number. This is wrong. Once we have numbered, there are 6 carbon atoms. So 6 carbon atom means hexane. Hexane is the parent. Then the 3 OL. Kindly follow. Hexane, 3 OL. So over. One part is over. What is the remaining? We have Br, we have Cl, we have methyl. So this is the alphabetical order. So now I can say here, it is, kindly follow, 1 bromo, because this is 1. So the compound name is, I can write now, the structure for this is 1 bromo, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 bromo, then 5 chloro, then it is 4 methyl, 4 methyl hexane, 3 all. So this is the correct IUPAC name. 1 bromo, 5 chloro, 4 methyl hexane, 3 OL. Now this is the correct name. Now we will go for the options. So under this, just find out number 3 is the correct answer. 1 bromo, 5 chloro, 4 methyl hexane, 3 all is the correct answer. Kindly follow. Next question. Question number 2. This is asked under the NEET 22 under this chapter. The incorrect statement regarding chirality is 1. Enantiomers are superimposable mirror images on each other. 2. A racemic mixture shows 0 optical rotation. 3. S1 reaction yields 1:1 mixture of both enantiomers. 4. The product obtained by SN2 reaction of haloalkane having chirality at the reactive site shows inversion of configuration. Shows inversion of configuration. The interesting information here it is. Now let me start one by one. Enantiomers are superimposable mirror images of each other. What is enantiomers? optically active compound having same molecular formula, but one will be mirror image of the other. So they are non-superimposable mirror images. So that is the correct one. Here it is given superimposable mirror image. So this is incorrect statement. This is the incorrect statement. Kindly follow. The number 2. Racemic mixture shows zero optical rotation. Correct. Plus and minus equal plus 0. SN1 reaction yields 1:1 mixture of both enantiomers. SN1 means 2 steps involved. First step, formation of carbon ion, then attack of nucleophile on both sides. So 50-50, so mixture of 1:1. And 4, the product obtained by SN2 reaction of haloalkane having chirality at the reactive site shows inversion of configuration. Always, what is going to be inversion of configuration? If optically active compound is plus, product will be minus, inversion. If it is minus, product will be plus. So this is correct. So 2 correct, 3 correct, 4 correct. Only incorrect is 1. So the enantiomers are superimposable mirror image on each other is incorrect statement. Question number, this is the correct answer. Next one. Question number 3. Kindly follow. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present in. So there are 4 compounds, organic compounds are given. First you must know to answer this question, what is hydrogen bond? Then what are the types of hydrogen bond? One is inter, another is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Inter means between two, between two, same or different. Intra means within a molecule, within a molecule. Kindly follow. So, hydrogen bonding. Let me explain what is hydrogen bond. When hydrogen is placed between 2 electronegative atoms, then the force of attraction between hydrogen and non-bonded more electronegative atom is called hydrogen bond. 2 types, intermolecular hydrogen bond, another is intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. So, the interesting information here it is, so we must know the first one is the 2 groups, OH group, NO2 group. OH is the seniority table, so that is number 1, number 2, number 3. 3-nitrophenol. This is hydrogen fluoride, 2 hydrogen fluoride. 3, 2-nitrophenol. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-nitrophenol. Among the 4 question, what is intramolecular within a molecule? The correct answer is 3. Correct answer is 3 will be the correct answer. Let me explain now. What is the intramolecular hydrogen bond? That is 2-nitrophenol. So, this is the structure OH then N double bond O. So this is 2-nitrophenol or orthonitrophenol. This is intramolecular hydrogen bonding within a molecule. See here, between these 2 oxygen atom, It is pledged hydrogen, but here non-bonded, this is bonded. So, the correct answer is 2-nitrophenol. So, this is the correct answer. Next question. The compound, that is the NEET 23, the question number NEET 23, the compound that will undergo SN1 reaction will be fastest rate is. Fastest rate is. Which will undergo fastest rate? That is the most interesting information. Normally, if you go for the characteristic of SN1 reactions, you can have a clear idea. So let me go now. So here I will say SN1 indicates unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. So the mechanism, actually, there are three types of mechanism your level we are having: SN1, SN2, SU1, SU2, E1, E2. So, under this, the characteristics of SN1, let me explain now, kindly follow. So, if you take now the tertiary butyl bromide, when treated with the corresponding potassium hydroxide, so what will happen now, or you will have now, what will happen now, the Br will be substituted, the correspondingly a carbonium ion is formed, carbocation. Then, when you treat with OH minus, that is, it will be attacking both sides, it is attacking. So, it is giving tertiary butanol, it is forming. This is the characteristic of mechanism. So, what are the characteristics of SN1? SN1 stands for unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. It consists of two steps. In the first step, slow step, a carbocation is formed. In the second step, the attacking nucleophile attack the carbocation to give product. Number 3, an intermediate is always formed. Kinetic evidence, reaction kinetically first order. 1, kindly remember. Then 5, stereochemical evidence. In the case of optically active substrate, racemization takes place because the 50% from the left side, 50% from the right side, attacked. Finally, this is our requirement. The order of reactivity of substrate towards SN1 or tertiary is more reactive than secondary than primary. So this, the characteristic we have to apply for this, our the problem. We have to find out which is the tertiary. So primary, kindly follow, primary. This is the correspondingly secondary. So this is the more stable. Correct answer is 2 is the correct answer. The next question. Question number 5. This is asked in the NEET 24. NEET 24. A compound with a molecular formula C6H14 has 2 tertiary carbon. 2 tertiary carbon. So, its IUPAC name is, we have to find out. 1, 2,3 dimethyl butane, 2,2 dimethyl butane, NXN, 4, 2-methyl pentane. Now, what we have to do? Now, let me C6H14. So, when you write C6H14, we have to identify which is alkane or alkene or alkyne. First, our tricks is we have to identify. We know the formula for alkane. Formula is CnH2n plus 2. Cn 6. 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 6, H14. So, it is alkane. It is not alkene, it is not alkyne. In the case of alkene, CnH2n. In the case of alkyne, CnH2n minus 2. So, from the molecular formula, we can assess 6H14 is nothing but it is alkane. It is alkane. Now what you have to do now? So we have to predict a structure, write a structure containing 2 tertiary carbon. Among the 6 carbons, 2 tertiary we have to. In that case, so what we have to do now? We have to write now, so 4 carbon atom like this. So tertiary means 1 second methyl. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 3 methyl tertiary. So automatically I can substitute now CH3, CH, CH, CH3. So this is the way we have to write the structure so that number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 2 having a tertiary with methyl, and number 3 having again tertiary methyl group. So what we have now write, it is the name is 2, 3 dimethyl butane. So this compound, page name of the compound, containing 2 tertiary. This is tertiary, this is tertiary. Tertiary carbon means 3 different carbon atom will be attached to that particular carbon. I hope you understand clearly. So this is the correct answer. Now we'll go for the answer. So A, that is number 1, it is the correct answer. Kindly follow. The next one, question number 6, NEET 23, that is 6. Which among the following will be the most readily dehydrated under acidic conditions? Under acidic conditions. What is meant by dehydration? Dehydration means the OH group present in the neighboring carbon atom will eliminate water molecule. This is called dehydration. It should be 1, 2. That's called viginal. That's called viginal. So just look into this 1, 2, 3, 4, where the viginal hydrogen OH group is present. In number 2, OH is there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the way we have to give number, to give IUPAC name. So only in the compound 2, neighboring atom having the OH group, eliminate water will form a bond producing an alkene. So the correct answer is the number 2 is the correct answer. Kindly follow. Next question. 7. NEET 24. NEET 24. Given below are 2 statements. Given below are 2 statements Statement 1. Statement 1. The boiling point of 3 isomeric pentanes follows the order of n-pentane greater than isopentane greater than neopentane. Statement 2. When branching increases, the molecule attains a shape of sphere. This results in smaller surface area for contact, due to which the intermolecular forces between the spherical molecules are weak, thereby lowering the boiling point. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect, statement 2 is correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. 4. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. So here, the correct answer may be, probably, 3 is the correct answer. Because n-pentane, boiling point of n-pentane greater than isopentane greater than neopentane. Because the n-pentane, it is a branch, normal linear. Isopentane 1 branch, neopentane 2 branch. Whenever branch increases, boiling point decreases. So statement 1 is correct. And statement 2, when branches increases, the molecule attains the shape of sphere. So 2 also correct. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct answer. NEET 24 question answer is 3 is the correct answer. Kindly follow. 3 is the correct answer. Now, question number 18. NEET 24. Most stable carbocation among the following is. More stable carbocation among the following. 1. This is the primary, that is 5-member ring CH2 plus. Here 6-member ring, again a methyl group plus. This is tertiary. Here CH3, CH2, CH plus, CH, CH3, CH3. This is again secondary. And this is again secondary. Kindly follow. From the second. So now when you come for the carbocation, which is more stable? Tertiary is more stable than secondary, more stable than primary. So answer should be 2 should be the correct answer. The reason, let me explain. Why? Let me take a simple example. I will take a tertiary butyl carbanion. Kindly follow now. In that case, so methyl group, it is electron releasing group due to the inductive effect, and this is also due to inductive electron releasing. This is also electron releasing. When all the 3 they are releasing towards the central carbon having positive charge, the positive charge is getting neutralized, so stability is more. Whereas when you come for the secondary, so correct answer is tertiary. Number 2 is the correct answer. When you go for the primary, only 1. Secondary, it is 2. So in this case, 3 methyl group. That is, this is CH2, this is CH2, CH3. So they are pushing the electron towards the central carbon having positive. That's why correct. The most stable carbocation is number 2. So Correct answer is 2 is the correct answer. So, my dear students, I have discussed the that is basic concept of or principles of organic chemistry between for the NEET questions between 22 to 25 I have discussed. So I will discuss next chapter hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon I will discuss in the next class. See you. Bye bye. Dr. R. Gunasekar.